Hi there, welcome back. Well, we are back at our home, yes. Uh, but still no freaking Ferrari. That's a different story. And I got some more bad news because today, while you are watching this video, I should have been walking at the Concours d'Elegance at Paleis het Loo. But due to the COVID pandemic, another event has been cancelled. And it really sucks because I was looking forward so much. I really wanted to see all the classic cars and the people wearing the classic outfits and just being there and smelling gasoline and rubber and all the things, but still no. And I'm now again locked in my garage making a video without working on a Ferrari, without going anywhere. That sucks, but who cares? Because we just find some other things to do. Today we're gonna talk about the Ford. 5 things I hate and 5 things I like about the Ford. Join me. But before we start, we're gonna do this while driving because the Ford is dirty. We need to clean it, and so what I suggest we're gonna do is just hop in the Ford, drive to the car wash. Meanwhile, I'm gonna talk about what I think of the Ford, and while doing that, at the end of the video, I hope the car is finally clean again. And then we have to gonna make an appointment with the garage because my clutch pedal is stuck, and I have to lift it with my foot. So that's part 1 of the things that I don't like about the Ford. We'll get back to that. So, well, let's hop in the car and go driving. So, let's start her up. I hate the sound. I love the sound. We'll get back to that part. Let's go have a drive. Let's start with the car wash. Yes, car wash. Ruin the paint, because my philosophy on this one is if you ruin the paint, then you got something to restore afterwards. Keep that in mind. So let's go have a drive. So the first thing I hate about this car are the sounds. It squeezes, the wind sound. There's a lot happening when you're driving this car. Partly, sorry, I have to look at the traffic at the same time, and there's a truck blocking my way. You move, you idiot! Thank you. So when I push the pedal, the brake pedal, you hear a little squeeze. At this point is extra annoying because the clutch pedal is, yeah, there's something wrong with it because it keeps hanging halfway through. I don't think that's a good thing. We have to do something about it. But we're gonna enter the highway right now, and then you're gonna hear a lot of wind noise, and that's very annoying. And when you stand here, I believe I sing a lot when I drive my car, and I believe, oh, C63 AMG, nice. Not that one on the right side, but there's a lot of noise and you hear everything, and I think outside people can hear anything I say inside. I think that's pretty annoying, and maybe it's the lack of engine sound, because I do like the ruffle. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but it does have a good ruffle, so that's the plus point. But overall, the sound of this car is a little bit annoying. We're just gonna go to the right lane. You hear the wind noise right now, and it really, the wind noise, in my opinion, is louder than the engine sound. So that's, well, I don't like it. So we got one thing I hate, the sound, and also mentioned a little bit one thing I like, because I hate the sound, the noise, but the engine basic sound is very welcome. It sounds a little bit like a race car, but not over exciting. It could be a little bit louder if you ask me, but overall I'm pretty excited with when you drive this car with music off. It gives you a feeling of well, the fact that it's a fast car, although it isn't. So 2 points. So second thing I don't like about this car, and it's a love and hate relationship, that's it, are the suspension is, yeah, well, not as good. I don't know if I can say that, but it's a stiff suspension, sporty suspension, that's very good, but you feel everything. And on with a car that you drive daily, I've then done about 80,000 kilometers with this car. Well, it's pretty annoying when you drive on a Dutch highway. The Dutch highways are pretty good. The quality of the highway is impeccable, if I may say. But you feel everything, and that means when you're driving a 30-kilometer drive and you constantly have the bumps, that's annoying. And I personally would like, that's a beautiful building. I would love to have that, to have a collection for, sorry. But when you have a 30 kilometers drive, then it would be nice to have a, hey, Manatino. Yes, I would like to have a Manatino in the Ford. So you can just put the suspension a little bit softer when necessary, especially with the kids in the back. The youngest girl is quite getting car sick. She often pukes when driving. Pretty annoying. But it would be great to be able to soften the suspension a little bit for that drive, and then harden it when I go out and play. On the other hand, when do I go out and play? Well, until the Ferrari is finished. After that, this car is probably only going to be used as a daily driver. But so that's the minus. Another thing I hate about this Ford, small, I think. But coming to the suspension, and I'm gonna choose to go that way. I don't know why, because everyone is going that way. What I do like about the suspension, it gives you a sporty feeling, especially when you drive a road you don't know. You have to be aware. But if you drive like this, then it does its job, and then we have to brake hard. Oh. This is why I love cars. Never played here before, but this is a good place to play. Oh man, now I wish I had my Ferrari here. Straight road. Wish you could see that, but okay. So what I just said, I hate the suspension, but I like the suspension. So I hope you get what I say. Oh man, there's a bump. And another one. Woo! You see, when driving like this, it's okay that it is a little bit stiff, because you know what's happening and you can anticipate. That's not a problem. But when the family is in, my girl, the youngest one, would be, yeah, nauseous right now. Oh. And my stomach also. Another downside is that I don't know where I am right now. because we're gonna go left and then we'll see where we end up. So, second point made. Well, third thing I hate about my Ford. Every time I go to a car wash, I'm waiting for the comments, yes. I have to go out and take off the antenna. So let's do this. Pretty annoying to do so. Why on earth, as a modern car, still has such stupid function? And yes, we're in the middle of nowhere. Look at the scenery. The sun doesn't blind you. Just parked somewhere so I can do this. Why? So that's a small thing, but I hate it. I really hate it. And I don't... No, I need to forget. Yes. How do you put this? So, that's not the third thing. Just some functions I hate. That's what I hate. What I love is... I don't know. What do I love? The antenna. Well, it still functions, so actually I don't have to put it back on, I guess. But overall, the infotainment system, can you see it in the car, is a little bit outdated, but it works. It's very simple. Something that I find a little bit annoying is that the volume is on this side and the parts and you menu, the car menu is on this side. I rather have it the other way around because when I'm driving I tend to push the level of the music up and down. Well, that's the fourth thing I hate about the car. That's a problem because it's 3, 2 to 4. Okay, never mind. We're gonna go to the car wash and wash it up, and then I'm gonna show you something very positive about this car. Now here we are. I'm always a little bit anxious, especially now, because the thing just stopped and I see a man walking over there. There's a little problem with the car, not in front, but in front. The ID3. There's an ID3 on the Volkswagen on the line. So that's going. It's been punished right now, I guess, because the line just stopped. And now the guy is. Oh well, I'm wondering. We'll see what will happen. That's fun. So we have to wait. Here we go again. So we did the complete package, 36 euros. Oh, my wife is gonna kill me for this. Including an interior clean. Bringing me to another point that I love about this car. And I lost count, but that's okay. What I really love is the interior. The Ford is just, well designed. You look at this and the chairs, and maybe this one is better. Custom chairs. I hate the child chairs, of course, but I have to talk louder if you can't hear what I'm saying. But what I mean is that the design of the Ford, interior wise, but also exterior, of course, is very well. It's just a beautiful combination of lines and colors, and the color I picked, of course, but yeah, that's a positive part of the Ford. So, with that noise, I'm gonna skip until the part that I can step outside of the car. I'm gonna do that. So, recapitulate, what I hate about this car is the noise, suspension, taking things off. I forgot. What a complete mess. I was trying to do a video here and I'm screwing it up. So, never mind. It's just me. Holiday. See you outside. So, part 1 is done. The exterior of the car is clean, and now we're preparing, waiting for the lineup to let them clean the interior. And then the basics is done. I'm gonna finish it off myself, but well, it saves a lot of time. There you have it. It's going to be cleaned completely from the inside. So that was a quick wash, and we're gonna finish it off with some Angel Wax Corona. Yes, of all names. Just to get rid of the scratches on the car, and I'm very happy with the result. Car looks fresh again. So we're gonna finish it off, and then we're gonna continue with 5 things I hate and 5 things I love about my Ford.
A few moments later.
We're gonna stop here a sec. Just got out of the car wash, finished all the things. Exterior of the car is very clean, so I'm pretty happy with that. And now, after we recapitulate, what did I just say I love and hate about the car? Suspension, sound, in both ways. So I'm gonna forget about the numbers because I'm making a mess. But what I do love, absolutely love about this car, I already said it, is the exterior. Just a good looking car. And if you know the price tag, this car will cost you less than 35,000 euros. It's a lot of money, but if you compare it to all other cars in the market, then you really get a good price, good car for your money. So that's why I think this car is a keeper. I do wish to change some things about the car. Said it before, but as long as time progresses, I'm thinking about it more. Maybe we're gonna do so, but first we need to make some money. But before we go, because I made a mess of this video, so we're gonna try this one again in the future. Never mind, it's just holiday time. I promised not to make any videos, so this is a bonus. But before we go, I want to thank you for watching. Keep it with that, and just go fly away, birdies. Let's do something that we have to do, because I promised to be back at 12, and now it's 12:08. So sorry about the concours. That's what I really wanted, and I hope soon that we can do some crazy things. Meanwhile, you're stuck with me in the Ford, waiting for the Ferrari to get home. I do have a plan for a next video, maybe, if I have time enough, or I'm gonna work on the Ferrari parts, but I don't know yet. I have to decide. I'm making a mess of this, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, never mind. What I want to do a challenge with this car. For example, what happens if there's something broke on the car, just like the pedal right now, and you only can go left? Can we reach a hardware shop to buy that certain key you need to fix it? That will be fun. But next video, we're gonna do that. We're gonna go only left and see if we can reach our destination. Let's have some fun. And with that bombshell, and if you didn't like the video, don't forget that I did this. Huh? It's me. But thank you for watching. See you again next time, and hope that we get the Ferrari back soon. Goodbye. Oh, wait. I'm forgetting it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, spread the word, and help me out here. Goodbye.